What secrets do the Beatles, Jennifer Lopez, Ray Dalio, Sheryl Crow and Steve Jobs have in common? I'll tell you that in a minute. I'm sure you're thinking success though. Well, yes, but that depends on how you interpret the word success. What do you feel led them to their success? Was it focus? Can you improve your focus? How did they all improve their focus? They have all meditated daily. Are you asking, what does that actually mean? Meditation was the closest word that could be used to describe the Eastern practice. Meditation used to mean to think deeply about something, but the word is evolving and actually means far more than that today. Do you feel that meditation was one of the keys to their success? Definitely! There is an enormous amount of stress finding the keys to a successful life when you don't know how. Would you like to hold the key in your hand so that you can open up the door to the life of your dreams? Most definitely. Are you going to take action today so you can own your future self so nobody else can? Yes, yes, yes! Do you feel like stress and anxiety are reactions wired into your brain? Can you imagine empowering yourself to respond rather than react to any given situation? You have the power inside of you, but maybe you just don't know that yet. I'm not talking about walking away from difficult emotions or turning your back on something that you feel is too hard to handle either. Imagine learning how to embrace difficult situations and facing your thoughts and emotions honestly. Being dragged down by the heavy emotions of life is a real party killer. I know, I've been there. Having lost both parents at an early age, sent off to boarding school where I felt isolated and alone, and not finding work apart from music that satisfied me. I have suffered severe stress, anxiety and even trauma in my life. Meditation in all its wonderful and various forms has helped me see all of my problems in a completely different way. I know these techniques can do the same for you. I've personally seen so many people find and unlock the gift inside of them using meditation. They've realized that if they don't own their future self, somebody else will. They have also realized that they can continue their experience of life being the one in the driving seat. I'm sure you want that too. I'll break this down even further for you. Meditation can help you come back to a good state quickly once you learn certain techniques. Meditation will help you find the triggers in your life that set you off on a downward spiral. Meditation will help you see the positives in your life rather than being stuck with your belief system of being not worthy, not good enough and not listened to. If you're anything like me, I'm sure you've been through times when you feel you are worthless, competing for attention and just not being heard. Yes. Meditation can help you recognize these cycles and move your mindset to a place where you can create the scenarios that you actually want in your life. We can create our own reality and we are actually co-creators. How often have you said to yourself, I've been meaning to try meditation but not got around to it yet? Me too. I was like that. Imagine moving your life into a place of creating or co-creating the life you want. Sounds amazing, right? From personal experience, this is possible. How? I'll tell you in a minute. I've built up so much empirical evidence on how meditation works. There is scientific proof also. Mindfulness meditation has been shown to cause distinct changes in brain structure and brain function, says Yi-Young Tang, a Texas Tech neuroscientist who studies meditation and recently reviewed the state of the research for the journal Nature. In experiments, he and others have found that regular meditation seems to improve people's focus and emotional control in particular. Through my experience and seeing all the scientific evidence available to all of us, I've created a webinar called the 5 Stepping Stones of Transformation. This process I've called the Dream Method because you can create the life of your dreams. There are over 7 billion people on this planet and so few of them have found the priceless gift inside of them. Imagine finding the gift inside of you. All you have to do is click the link below and you can experience the webinar explaining the 5 techniques I teach. Meditation can bring excitement and adventure back into your life. We'd all like a little bit more of that, I'm sure. You can join the Beatles, Jennifer Lopez, Ray Dalio, Sheryl Crow and Steve Jobs and find the success you want in your life in whatever form that may take. That's all you need to do is click the link below, grab the key that you're looking for, and I'll see you on the other side.